Hello, good morning students and most welcome on my YouTube channel Math Mentor. So today I am going to start the example number 11 from exercise 8.1 of the topic continuity. In some previous lecture we completed some first examples of exercise 8.1. So right now we have to start the question number 11. So let's start the question number 11 of exercise 8.1. So what is question? If f of x is equal to 24 raised to x minus 8 raised to x minus 3 raised to x plus 1 divided by 12 raised to x minus 4 raised to x minus 3 raised to x plus 1 for x is not equal to 0 is equal to k for x is equal to 0 is continuous at x is equal to 0, find k. So this is the example number 11, not first, 11. So here what he has given this function is continuous at x is equal to 0. And what is the definition of continuity? The limit of the function is equal to the value of the function. फंक्शन का लिमिट और वैल्यू अगर सेम है तो दैट फंक्शन इज व्हाट कंटिन्यूअस. ही हैज गिवन फंक्शन इज कंटिन्यूअस मीन्स value is equal to limit of this function and we have to find the unknown k which is in the place of value, means actually we have to find what the value of the function. Okay, so let's start the solution. So given f of x is continuous at x is equal to 0, short name of continuity, continuous. So therefore value of the function is equal to limit of the function. So this is the definition of continuity. Limit of the function is equal to value of the function or value of the function is equal to limit of the function. What he has given value? K, which we have to find. What is function here? Limit x tends to 0. 24 raised to x minus 8 raised to x minus 3 raised to x plus 1 divided by 12 raised to x minus 4 raised to x minus 3 raised to x plus 1. Means actually what we have to find only limit of the function. सिर्फ हमें लिमिट ही फाइंड करना है. So this is equal to limit x tends to 0. So we can write for 24 raised to x is 8 raised to x into 3 raised to x. Baki everything all terms are same. 8 raised to x minus 3 raised to x plus 1. So this is 8 raised to x divided by 4 raised to x into 3 raised to x minus 4 raised to x minus 3 raised to x plus 1. This 12 raised to x is nothing but 4 raised to x into 3 raised to x. Is 24 raised to x is nothing but 8 raised to x into 3 raised to x. From first two terms taking 8 raised to x common and again from the denominator taking 4 raised to x common. What will be here? This is equal to value left hand side k. K is equal to limit x tends to 0. 8 raised to x in bracket 3 raised to x minus 1 taking minus 1 common 3 raised to x minus 1 divided by 4 raised to x common 3 raised to x minus 1 minus 1 common 3 raised to x minus 1. Alright, यहाँ से minus 1 common निकालो. So this gives limit x tends to 0. So first factor 8 raised to x minus 1, second factor 3 raised to x minus 1. In the denominator 4 raised to x minus 1 and second is 3 raised to x minus 1. This factor cancel. And now this is very simple form. Now we can divide by x. Numerator by x, denominator by x. So k is equal to limit of numerator is log 8. Limit of denominator is log 4. So we can't simplify, हम इसको और सिंप्लीफाई नहीं कर सकते. So this will the answer. So log 8 is not log 4 square, so right keep as it is log 8 by log 4. So this is the answer which we have to find. हमें जो find करना था, find the value of k. So what is the k? K is actually in the place of what value? So what is the value of this function? Log 8 by log 4. So this is the solution of example number 11 in that first example. So there are total 5 questions in the question number 11. Okay, so this is the solution. Let's start the next. So log 8 by log 4 is a log 8 upon log 4 is a accurate answer, correct answer, but we can more simplify this. हम इसका और simplify कर सकते हैं, no doubt. So what is log 8? Log 8 is 2 cube. 2 cube. What is log 4? 2 square. तो 3 नीचे आएगा. 3 log 2 divided by 2 log 2. This log 2 cancel. So what will be the answer? K is equal to 3 by 2. So this is a more accurate answer than the last. So answer is what? K is equal to 3 by 2. Okay. Now look at the second example of question number 11. So he has given the function x is not equal to 0, means we have to find the limit of this function. Value is k at x is equal to 0. This function is continuous at x is equal to 0. We have to find the value of k. So again same example, he has given the function is continuous and we have to find the unknown k. So look at the solution here. So given f of x is continuous at x is equal to 0. So therefore value is equal to limit of the function. So this is the important line of the solution because which is given. So what is value here? K, which we have to find. जो हमें find करना है. Limit x tends to 0. Function is this 5 raised to x, 5 raised to minus x minus 2 divided by x square. So here first of all make the negative power into positive by taking reciprocal 1 upon 5 raised to x minus 2 divided by x square. So actually हमें हर एग्जाम्पल में क्या फाइंड करने वाले? लिमिट ऑफ द फंक्शन, विच इज़ वेरी वेरी सिंपल. दिस इक्वल टू लेफ्ट हैंड साइड k इज इक्वल टू लिमिट x टेंड्स टू 0, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करो 5 raised to x into 5 raised to x whole square plus 1 minus 2 times 5 raised to x divided by 5 raised to x whole divided by x square. So this is a simple cross multiplication like this. So 5 raised to x into 5 raised to x is whole square plus 1, this term as it is plus 1 minus 2 times 5 raised to x and upon 5 raised to x and whole divided by what? X square. So numerator x tends to 0, 5 raised to x whole square minus 2 times 5 raised to x plus 1 divided by x square into 5 raised to x. ये टर्म नीचे शिफ्ट किए to the common denominator, एक ही denominator x square into 5 raised to x. So here, so numerator is a complete square of what? 5 raised to x minus 1 whole square divided by x square into 1 upon 5 raised to x. A square minus 2ab plus b square. This is a this is a b, a minus b whole square. A square minus 2ab plus b square. So it's a 5 raised to x minus 1 whole square. Now taking separate limit of this because this is a determinate form. So limit x tends to 0, 5 raised to x minus 1 by x whole square into limit x tends to 0, 1 upon 5 raised to x. So limit of first log 5 whole square into 1 upon 5 raised to 0, which is 1, 5 raised to 0 is 1, 1 square is 1, 1 by 1 is 1. So this is the limit of the function, which is k. So value is equal to limit, so k is equal to log 5 whole square. That is our answer. So answer of the second example of question number 11 is what? Log 5 whole square. Okay, I hope you understand the complete solution. Okay, so this is the second example. We will take third, fourth and fifth immediately. Let's start. Let's start the third example of question number 11. So see the example number third of question number 11. In that he has here given x is less than 0, x is equal to 0, x is greater than 0. So less than 0, greater than 0, this gives what? The left hand limit, right hand limit and the value. If x is equal to 0, that is the value of the function. If x is less than 0, it means the given is the limit extends to 0 minus left hand limit. X is greater than 0 means right hand limit, right? So last line kya di? Is continuous at x is equal to 0. It means what? Left hand limit is equal to right hand limit is equal to value. Is it clear? And from that we have to find, there are two unknowns a and b. So a b हमें find करना है. So given is what? Function is continuous at x is equal to 0 and we have to find the value of a and b. It means left hand limit is equal to right hand limit is equal to value. So first of all हम find करेंगे left hand limit. एक एक find करेंगे simultaneously, नहीं यहाँ पर. So this is the example number third of question number 11. So here for first right hand limit find करेंगे. For x is greater than 0, x is greater than 0 means limit extends to 0 plus f of x is equal to limit extends to 0 plus what is function? Sin 4x upon 5x, sin 2x upon 5x, sin 2x divided by 5x minus क्या है? ये है, राइट. सो ये लिमिट फाइंड करना बहुत ही सिंपल है. यहाँ पर एंगल एडजस्टमेंट करेंगे. लिमिट एक्सटेंड्स टू 0 प्लस, ऊपर साइन 2x है तो नीचे भी 2x होना जरूरी है. सो 2 से डिवाइड किया, 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करो. देयर वाज ऑलरेडी 5, कीप एज इट इज, माइनस है, दिस इज अ कांस्टेंट टर्म. 2 से डिवाइड, 2 से मल्टीप्लाई, दिस 5 एज इट इज. सो दिस इज व्हाट 1 into 2 by 5 minus a. So this is what 2 by 5 minus a, equation first. Now second he has given the value. For x is equal to 0, this is a value, means f of 0. So what is value here? Value is 4. So equation what? Second. पहले राइट हैंड लिमिट फाइंड किया, देन वैल्यू गिवन है वो फाइंड, वो लिखी यहाँ पर. फॉर नाउ for x is less than 0, it means we have to find the left hand limit. Limit extends to 0 minus f of x is equal to limit extends to 0 minus what is function? Function is x square plus b minus 3, which is simple in determinate form. X square plus b minus 3. So we can replace directly x by 0. 0 square plus b minus 3. It's a b minus 3. Equation third. Now given f of x is continuous at x is equal to 0. Therefore limit extends to 0 minus f of x is equal to limit extends to 0 plus f of x is equal to value. So this is the second definition of continuity. What is that? Left hand limit is equal to right hand limit is equal to value. पहले कुछ भी इंटरचेंज कर सकते हैं. Right hand limit is equal to value is equal to left hand limit are to be same. So now here what is left hand limit? b minus 3. What is right hand limit? 2 by 5 minus a. What is value? 4. So a is equal to b is equal to c. We can write a is equal to c and b is equal to c. So b minus 3 is equal to 4. 2 minus 5 minus a is equal to 4. So first b is equal to 4 plus 3 is 7. This is first value. A is equal to 2 by 5 minus 4. So 2 minus 20 is minus 18. Minus 18 by 5. This is the value of A. So A is equal to minus 18 by 5 and B is equal to what? 7. These are the values of two unknowns A and B when function is continuous at x is equal to 0. Okay. So this is the third example of question number 11. Okay. I hope you understand the complete solution of this example. Let's start the question number 4. Example number 4. So see the question number, example number 4th of question number 11, what he has given. For what values of A and B, f of x is continuous, and then find the value of A and B. So ये किस वैल्यू के लिए ए बी के किस वैल्यू के लिए फंक्शन कंटिन्यूस होगा, ए एंड बी के कंटिन्यूस होगा, ये हमने वो क्वेश्चन है. So this is all our polynomial function and we know that this polynomial function is continuous for everywhere. It means these functions are continuous at x is equal to 0 also, at x is equal to 2 also, right? So f of x is continuous for all values of x, that is at x is equal to 0 and at x is equal to 2. So ए बी फाइंड करना है. फॉर व्हाट वैल्यूज ऑफ ए बी द फंक्शन इज कंटिन्यूस. किस ए बी के वैल्यू के लिए ये फंक्शन कंटिन्यूस होगा. सो दिस ऑल थ्री इक्वेशंस आर पॉलिनोमियल फंक्शंस एंड वी नो दैट द पॉलिनोमियल फंक्शंस इज कंटिन्यूस for every values of x. So it means obviously these functions are continuous at 0 and 2 also. X is less than 0, x is greater than 0, x is less than 2, x is greater than 2, right? Means left hand limit, right hand limit सब फाइंड हो सकता है. Okay, so first चेक करेंगे continuity at x is equal to 0. So therefore limit x tends to 0, f of x is exist. So therefore limit x tends to 0 minus f of x is equal to limit x tends to 0 plus f of x. So limit of the function exists when the limit is limit of function is exist. The function is continuous means limit of function is exist. अगर function इस point पे continuous है, it means what? Limit of this function at x tends to 0 is exist. So exist means left hand limit is equal to right hand limit. So x tends to 0 minus means x is less than 0. So ये function हमें लेना पड़ेगा. So therefore limit x tends to 0 minus ax plus 2b plus 18 is equal to limit x tends to 0 plus right hand limit x is greater than 0, this function x square plus 3a minus b. So यहाँ पर x is greater than 0 है, so this is the function for right hand limit. x is less than 0 है, so this is the function for left hand limit. Okay, so x की जगह पर डायरेक्ट 0 पुट करो. a इंटू 0 है 0 प्लस 2b प्लस 18 इज इक्वल टू 0 प्लस 3a माइनस b. So minus plus 2b here, minus 2b, 3a minus 3b is equal to 18. Therefore a minus b is equal to 6. Equation first. Now for continuity at x is equal to 2. So ये होगा at x is equal to 0. So ये 0 पे भी continuous है और 2 पे भी continuous है. Why? Because function is polynomial and for all values of x which are continuous. up to for 2, so limit x tends to 2 f of x is exist. So obviously limit of function is exist. So limit x tends to 2 minus f of x is equal to limit x tends to 2 plus f of x. So यहाँ पर x is less than 2 है, x is less than 2, so this function is for left hand limit at x tends to 2. So limit x tends to 2 minus, which one is that function? X square plus 3a minus b is equal to limit x tends to 2 plus. So यहाँ पर x is greater than 2 है, so this is the function for right hand limit 8x minus 2. 8x minus 2. So 2 replace करेंगे, 2 square is 4 plus 3a minus b, 8 2s are 16 minus 2, 3a minus b, 4 इधर minus 4, 16 minus 6 is 10, equation second. Now these two equations are simultaneous equations. So solve these two equations, you will get the values of a and b. Which one is very simple. Now solving first and second, a minus b, 3a minus b is equal to 10, a minus b is equal to 6. Change the sign. 3a minus a, 2a, 10 minus 6, 4. So this gives a is equal to 2. Similarly, simultaneously put a is equal to 2 here. So therefore 2 minus b is equal to 6. So minus b is equal to 4. So b is equal to what? Minus 4. So value of b is minus 4. Value of a is equal to what? 2. So 2 plus 4 is 6. So cross check किया, correct answer है. a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 6. दोनों वैल्यू इस इक्वेशन में पुट करो, डेफिनेटली क्रॉस वेरिफिकेशन हो जाएगा. So this is the answer of example number 4 of question number 11. For what values of a and b the function is continuous, right? It's very simple process to evaluate to find the value of a and b. Okay, next. So this is the last example of question number 11. So let's see again for what values of a and b the function is continuous for all values of x on r. ऐसा क्वेश्चन है. So यहाँ पर 2 है और 3 भी है, right? So this function is continuous at x is equal to 2 and at x is equal to 3. So therefore f of x is continuous at x is equal to 2 and at x is equal to 3. ये 2 भी है और ये 3 भी है. Therefore continuity at first x is equal to 2. So therefore limit x tends to 2 f of x is exist. Same procedure. So therefore limit x tends to 2 minus f of x is equal to limit x tends to 2 plus f of x. Limit exist means what? Left hand limit is equal to right hand limit. If left hand limit is not equal to right hand limit, then we say that limit does not exist. Okay, so left hand limit x tends to 2 minus, so x is less than 2, we can take this function for left hand limit for x is less than 2. So which one that? X square minus 4 divided by x minus 2 is equal to limit x tends to 2 plus x is greater than 2. So this is for right hand limit, ax square माइनस बी एक्स प्लस 3. सो ये जो फंक्शन है वो एक्स इज लेस दैन 3 के लिए भी है और एक्स इज ग्रेटर दैन 2 के भी लिए है. सो कॉमन फॉर ऑल. सो फैक्टराइज दिस. एक्स माइनस 2 फॉर्मूला मेथड से भी सॉल्व हो सकता है, बट फैक्टराइजेशन इज मोर सिंपल. सो 2 देखो 2 स्क्वायर 4a माइनस 2b प्लस 3. डायरेक्ट रिप्लेस किया x की जगह पर 2 बिकॉज दिस इज अ डिटर्मिनेट फॉर्म. ये कैंसल. 2 + 2 इज 4. 4 इज इक्वल टू 4a माइनस 2b प्लस 3. So 4a minus 2b, 4 minus 3 is 1. Equation first. So second, continuity at x is equal to 3. So this example is exactly similar to last example, previous example, example number 4. वही प्रोसीजर है. अब सेम करेंगे यहाँ पर. फॉर at x is equal to 3 के लिए लिमिट x टेंड्स टू 3 f of x is exist. So it means limit x tends to 3 minus f of x is equal to limit x tends to 3 plus f of x. Limit x tends to 3 minus. So x is less than 3. So ये फंक्शन लेफ्ट हैंड के लिए रहेगा. ax square minus bx plus 3. और राइट हैंड लिमिट मीन्स x इज ग्रेटर दैन 3. यहाँ पर x इज ग्रेटर दैन 3 है. सो ये फंक्शन 2x माइनस a प्लस b. सो जस्ट रिप्लेस करना है. 3 स्क्वायर 9a माइनस 3b प्लस 3. 3 2 ज़ा 6 माइनस a प्लस b. माइनस a प्लस a 10a प्लस b माइनस b माइनस 4b प्लस 6 here 3 प्लस 3 राइट साइड में 6 माइनस 3 इज 3. इक्वेशन सेकंड. 10a माइनस 4b इज इक्वल टू 3. 6 माइनस 3 इज 3. 9a प्लस a इज 10a माइनस 3b माइनस 4b. करेक्ट है. सो सॉल्व दिस टू इक्वेशंस. सो बेस्ट वे हम क्या करेंगे, इसको 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, इसको 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करो 16a माइनस 8b इज इक्वल टू 4. इसको 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करो 20a माइनस 8b इज इक्वल टू 6. सो वी आर वेरी मच फैमिलियर विद दिस प्रोसेस ऑफ सॉल्विंग द साइमल्टेनियस इक्वेशन. ये कैंसल. माइनस 4a इज इक्वल टू माइनस 2. minus 4a is equal to minus 2. So what is the value of a? A is equal to 2. So we'll write here 4a. इसको 2 से मल्टीप्लाई किया ना हमने. 4a माइनस 2b इज इक्वल टू 1. बराबर है. ये कितना है 10a माइनस 4b इज इक्वल टू 3. इसको 2 से मल्टीप्लाई किया क्या 4 से 16a माइनस 8b प्लस 4. करेक्ट. इसको 2 से 10 2 ज़ा 20 4 2 ज़ा 8 3 2 ज़ा 6. 16 माइनस 20 माइनस 4a. दिस कैंसल. 4 माइनस 6 इज माइनस 2. सो 4a इज इक्वल टू 2. a इज इक्वल टू 1/2. सो चेक करो a की वैल्यू 1/2 आना चाहिए. Put value of a is 1/2. Therefore 4 into 1/2 minus 2b is equal to 1. So 2 minus 2b is equal to 1. Minus 2b is equal to minus 1. So b is equal to 1/2. So a is 1/2, b is 1/2. 2 minus 1. Correct. A 1/2 or b 1/2. So these are the values. Check करो. This is a simple process to solve the equations. Most important is what? This process. Left hand limit is equal to right hand limit and left hand limit is equal to right hand limit for 2 and 3. Okay. So this is the values of a and b. Okay. I hope you understand the solution of example number 5 also. ये calculation आपको check करना है लास्ट एग्जाम्पल का. ओके. सो दिस इज द कंप्लीशन ऑफ एग्जाम्पल नंबर क्वेश्चन नंबर 11. सिर्फ 11 एक ही एग्जाम्पल लिया बट उसमें 5 एग्जाम्पल्स थे. ओके. सो विल टेक मोर एग्जाम्पल इन नेक्स्ट टुडे लेक्चर. ओके. सो स्टे ट्यून ऑन दिस यूट्यूब चैनल मैथ मेंटर. ओके. सो थैंक यू वेरी मच. आई विल स्टॉप हियर.